Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Straight to the Counter brought to you by Flash Custom Transfers. Today we're doing a special video. We're going to be doing a soft ASMR video. So if you like the sound of plastic and transfers and any types of crinkly sounds, that's what today's video is about. So just put on your headphones, relax, and enjoy the show. This is your first time tuning in, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button as well. And let us know if you like our new flash transfers. These are actually patches that are printable. No more expensive embroidery prices. Get the same look of a patch for half the price. And the extreme durability of a DTF transfer. Now available on the website at flashcustomtransfers.com. And don't forget to watch the video how to iron these on. All you have to do is cut and press. Look at that. It looks like a real embroidered patch, but it's a DTF transfer and it's extremely durable. Look at that. It looks like a real patch. Make these for your children, for your family members. We have an array of different patches here. And a lot more to come. This cool looking space ice cream. Remember, you can get this entire gang sheet pre-made on the website, flashcustomtransfers.com. Look at the detail. Also, if you have pre-made patch images, you can create your own gang sheet. Email us at ordernow@flashcustomtransfers.com. Send us over your patch logos or patch images and we can print them. And the only way that you can tell the difference is if you touch it. Look at that. It looks like real threads. Be cool with Flash Custom Transfers. New DTF patches. Get the same look as a traditional embroidery patch for half the price. This to me is my favorite one. It's stay tuned for the video where I put this patch and many of these other ones on my daughter's custom jean jacket. She has a plain jean denim jacket, and I'm gonna make it fancy for Christmas using our brand new DTF patches that look just like the real thing. So definitely check out that video. This one too. I think this one's gonna look great on her jacket. If you have any questions, leave the questions down below in the comment section. If you have any design questions, don't forget that we have Flash Custom. Actually, it's called Flash Graphics. I apologize. Our graphics department is called Flash Graphics. And you can get any type of image created that you can think of. From real life patches like this, to vectored image, to custom art, drawn art, 3D art, rendered art. We can do everything at Flash Graphics. Flash Custom Transfers is a one-stop shop for all your graphic design needs and your transfer needs. If you need a full color transfer, or even if you just need regular letters of one color, DTF can do it all. If you have any questions, or if this is your first time looking at this product and you're like, oh my God, that really looks like an embroidered patch. Yes, because this is called DTF at a very, very, very high grade, printed on the best commercial printers. Look at that, guys and ladies, the best commercial printers in the world. We spend a lot of money on our equipment so we can print quality. But if you just need an image, we can do it. Let us do it. We want the opportunity to bring your creation to life. Also, let me know if you enjoy this video. This is a little different, but you guys know Carl from Straight Outta Content is just a little crazy, just a little off of his rocker, and I like to keep things spicy. So I figured I'd do something different. We're going into the new year. We're working on many, many different projects. And this is one of them. We were actually going to wait until next year to release this, but we said, you know what? Let's release it now. Go America. I think this patch will be very popular. Look at the detail on this. Sweet. I'm definitely going to put this on my daughter's jean jacket. Look at this. Tell me that doesn't look real. It's even see-through. See the little holes? See if I put the yellow behind it? It's even see-through. Look at that. That looks like a real patch. Wait, check out the video where I press these patches on my daughter's jean jacket. Okay, guys, that is going to conclude this video. Remember, you can go and get the pre-made DTF custom patch game sheet pre-made on the website now. And please check out the video where I show you how these press, and you can see just how real they actually look. We are the first company in the world to release patches using DTF. So take advantage right now on the website. Go get your custom patches from flashcustomtransfers.com. And remember, if you have any questions, email us at ordernow@flashcustomtransfers.com.